Hey, I'm Nico, the founder of Adkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude to manage your ads. So in this example, I'm going to be using Google Ads, but it also works on Meta and soon on more platforms. So I'm on Claude.ai, but that also works with the desktop version, the mobile version, and Claude Code, of course. So in this case, I'm just going to ask it to check the 2 campaigns I launched with it recently, and basically do a bit of keyword cleanup, see if there is anything we can remove that is wasting budget, etc. So I'm just going to send the message, and then it's going to take a few seconds to think and everything. Okay, so as we can see, it started thinking and checking our keywords a little bit. And here I can see now a nice recap. So it took it maybe a few, I would say 20 to 30 seconds to pull up all the data and analyze it. So that would have taken me probably a good 10 minutes to check everything. So that's 10 minutes saved already. But let's see what we have. So here, high-waist search term to kill now. And as we can see, Claude Manage Agent, which is probably matching based on Claude Manage, Claude Manage Ads or something, which I think is a keyword I launched last week. So it's completely unrelated and it's already wasted $16. Claude MCP, which is way too general. I'm looking to get into Claude Ads MCP, Ads MCP and stuff like this. So we have lots of bad keywords to trim. So here is actually the suggestion. So manage agent. So all exact match. So this one sounds good. Google Search MCP. So there are a bunch of keywords that are it's completely irrelevant for us, and Claude was able to really go into the search terms and find that for us. So again, that would have taken me a good 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I just spent some time reading everything, and this is what makes a difference between Adkit and lot of the official MCPs available is that they just only allow you to read. But with Adkit, you can now just ask Claude directly to make the changes. So if I just say to all of this, kill those keywords, etc., make a list. So we should have a list of keywords for competitors, for example. So I'm just going to send this, and then it's going to be able to create all the drafts and everything for me. So it's going to take probably 20 to 30 seconds. So I'm just going to pause the video in the meantime. Okay, so it's already starting to trim and stuff, but as we can see here, so it's able to see my list of excluded keyword to avoid duplicates, because I mentioned that for Claude Skills, for example, we have an exclusion, and then it was able to pull the data, etc. So it's it's not going to blindly do things. Usually, I mean, depends on the model you're using, obviously. But yeah, in this case, it's doing pretty well. So it's actually going to do some research into the account first to see what's already in place. Okay, so it just finished the first, round or whatever. Now, as you can see, it mentioned all stage as draft. So what it means is that in Adkit, when you make any kind of change, it doesn't touch your live account immediately unless you ask specifically your agent to make live changes. But by default, everything is going to appear here as a draft that you can review and then approve. So the main benefit of that is, sometimes agents can hallucinate a little bit. So if you want to double check everything, you can do it here. And once you click publish, then it's going to be live. So yeah, it just created a list. So that looks all right. And yeah, so I'm just going to click publish here. Up, and now it's live on my account. So again, if you don't want to bother with drafts, etc., you can ask your agent to directly do it, and you will have the option to disable live publishing if you want your agent to only be able to do draft, but then you will have to approve everything. But yeah, that's how Adkit works basically. So this is how it integrates with Google Ads. It works with Meta Ads and soon with even more platforms. So any kind of operation like creating campaigns, ad groups, making creatives, like anything that you would normally do, Adkit can do it probably faster than you can do. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I don't know, there should be a call to action somewhere around this video. So yeah, just give a shot to Adkit.